In this video, I'll show you how to create an opt-in page in Systeme.io to capture leads and grow your email list. First, log into your account and head to the Funnels tab. Click on Create, give your funnel a name, and choose Build an Audience as the goal. This option is designed specifically for opt-in pages, so Systeme.io will automatically create a simple funnel with an opt-in page and a thank you page. Next, select a template for your opt-in page. You can pick a clean, minimal design or one with more visuals depending on your brand. Once you've chosen a template, click Edit Page to open the drag-and-drop builder. Replace the placeholder text with your headline, subheadline, and a short description that explains what the visitor will get by signing up, like a free guide, newsletter, or a discount. Now, focus on the form itself. Customize the fields so you only ask for what you really need, usually just name and email. Make sure the button text is clear and action-driven, like Get Started or Download Now. You can also edit colors, fonts, and images to match your branding. Finally, set up what happens after someone opts in. In the funnel settings, connect the form to your email list and redirect them to the thank you page. Save your changes. Preview the page on desktop and mobile and hit publish. That's how you create an opt-in page in Systeme.io. Subscribe,